Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Kodi Hunter RJ. Today, we're diving into an amazing sports add-on for Kodi called Rising Tides. Whether you're into football, live PPV events, or other sports, this add-on has got you covered. This add-on is located in the Rising Tides repository, and it's a one-stop destination for live sports fans. Some of the standout sections include football highlights, live football matches, PPV events, and more sports events. One cool feature? The links for live games become active just 5 minutes before the game starts, so you're always ready for the action. Here's what makes Rising Tides special. Wide sports coverage. From football to other sports events, it has a diverse range of content. Stream reliability. The links are stable, especially if you're using a good internet connection. Easy navigation. Its simple layout ensures you can quickly find what you're looking for, whether it's highlights or a live event. Now, if you're wondering how to install the Rising Tides add-on on Kodi, don't worry, I've made the process super easy for you. Rather than going through all the steps here, I've created detailed installation instructions on my website. Simply click the link in the comment below to visit my website and follow the step-by-step guide. It's quick, easy, and you'll have Rising Tides up and running in no time. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more Kodi reviews and tips. And before you start streaming, make sure your connection is secure. I've included a special deal in the description below for a trusted privacy tool that keeps your activities safe online. Don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy streaming!